Welcome to Tech Logics. In today's video, we're showing you exactly how to insert and eject both a 4G SIM card and a microSD memory card into the V380 Smart Indoor Pan and Tilt Home Security Camera. If you've ever felt confused or run into trouble installing these cards, this step-by-step guide will help you get everything set up correctly, so your camera connects reliably to the 4G network and stores all your footage without any issues. Always start by unplugging the camera or turning it off completely. This is a crucial safety step to avoid any risk of damaging the camera, the SIM card, or the memory card during insertion. It only takes a second, but it can prevent headaches later. On the V380 Indoor Pan and Tilt model, the SIM and microSD card slots are located at the bottom of the rotating lens. Gently lift or tilt the lens upward to reveal the slots. Handle it carefully to avoid straining or damaging any moving parts. You'll see two separate slots. The top or upper slot is usually for the SIM card, and it's often slightly thinner. The bottom slot is for the microSD card. Use a standard nano SIM with an active 4G data plan. Make sure it's not pin-locked. Disable the pin via your phone first if needed. Align the SIM card correctly with the gold contacts facing down. Check for small orientation icons or notches on the slot or camera body. If it doesn't slide in smoothly, flip it and try again. Gently push it in until you hear or feel a click. It should sit flush and secure. To eject the SIM card, gently press it in, and it will pop out for easy removal. For local storage and recording, insert a Class 10 or higher microSD card, up to 128 GB, which is widely supported and recommended for this model. The gold contacts should face up. Again, refer to any icons or markings near the slot. Slide it in smoothly until it clicks into place. A 128 GB card typically stores 5 to 7 days of footage, depending on resolution, frame rate, and whether you're using continuous recording or motion-triggered mode. For best performance, use a high-endurance card designed for surveillance. Make sure both cards are fully seated and secure with no loose edges. This quick check helps avoid connection failures, recording errors, or data loss. Now plug the camera back in using the provided DC power adapter. Wait a moment for it to boot up. Listen carefully for the voice prompts. You should hear something like, "Network connection succeeded," followed by, "4G connected." These confirm the SIM is working and the camera is online via 4G. Once connected, download the V380 app, available on Android and iOS, and add the camera by scanning the QR code or entering the device ID. For full setup, recording options, motion detection, alerts, and advanced features, check out the other videos in our V380 series. If this quick guide helped you get your camera up and running smoothly, please hit that like button, share it with anyone who needs it, and subscribe to Tech Logics for more practical tech tutorials. Your support keeps us creating helpful content. Thank you so much for watching.